The ultimate drafting course, the only drafting course you'll ever need. This course is a combo of 4 drafting courses: legal drafting, contract drafting, real estate agreements drafting, and software contracts drafting. Legal drafting covers drafting of notices, affidavits, plaints, written statements, civil suits, complaints, etc. Contract drafting is all about drafting of major corporate contracts like non-disclosure agreements, master service agreements, etc. And in real estate agreements drafting, you will learn the drafting of rent, lease, sale agreements, power of attorney, builder-buyer agreements, development agreements, and a lot more. Software contracts drafting is where you will learn drafting of IT contracts such as software development agreement, maintenance and support agreement, escrow agreement, software licensing agreements, etc. The classes will be live and interactive, so you can always ask questions and interact with the faculty, and the recordings for all sessions will also be provided. The best part about this course is that it is a practical training course. So there will be practical drafting assignments which will be reviewed by the faculty in one-to-one review session. A course materials folder will also be given in which you will get sample drafts and course notes. This really is the best drafting course out there. Don't take our word for it. Check out the sample videos and feedback given by previous students and see it for yourself.